Many Tesla Model Y owners find the exposed silver rim edge on the black Gemini wheel covers visually unappealing. It creates a contrast that detracts from the desired all-black aesthetic, especially on vehicles with a black paint job. This video addresses that issue by showing you how to cover that silver lip. The Cover Silver Rim Edge mod is a popular DIY project aimed at improving the look of the Model Y's Gemini wheels. It involves concealing the silver rim edge with black material, such as vinyl wrap or paint, to achieve a uniform, all-black finish. This gives the wheels a cleaner, more complete look that many owners prefer over the stock appearance. To perform the Cover Silver Rim Edge mod on your Tesla Model Y Gemini wheels, you'll need several materials and tools. Let's go through them one by one. First, black vinyl wrap or matte black spray paint. Vinyl wrap, such as 3M brand, is preferred for its durability and ease of removal. Next, a degreaser to thoroughly clean the rim before application. You'll also need a razor blade or scissors for precise cutting of the vinyl or tape. A heat gun is essential for vinyl application to help the material conform to the rim's curved shape. Finally, masking tape to protect surrounding areas from paint or accidental scratches during the process. Start by cleaning the rim thoroughly to ensure proper adhesion. Use a degreaser to remove any dirt, grease, or debris from the silver edge area. Measure the width of the silver edge carefully and cut the vinyl wrap to the appropriate size, leaving a little extra for trimming later. Carefully apply the vinyl along the silver edge, using the heat gun to help it conform to the curves of the rim. Use the razor blade to trim any excess vinyl for a clean finish. First, clean the rim thoroughly using a degreaser to remove dirt and oils. Then, lightly sand the silver edge with fine grit sandpaper to create a rough surface that helps the paint adhere better. Apply masking tape carefully around the edge of the wheel cover and along the tire to protect these areas from overspray. Make sure the tape is pressed firmly for a clean line. Shake the spray paint can well and apply thin, even coats from about 12 inches away. Wait 10 to 15 minutes between coats for drying, and apply 3 to 4 coats total for full coverage. Allow the final coat to dry for at least 24 hours. Then, slowly peel off the masking tape at a low angle to avoid chipping the paint and reveal your finished black edge. Vinyl wrap offers several advantages for covering the silver rim edge. It's highly durable, lasting 1 to 2 years before fading, and provides a clean, professional finish. The material is easy to remove if you want to reverse the modification. However, applying vinyl requires more skill to avoid bubbles or imperfect alignment, and it's typically more expensive than spray paint. Spray paint is a more affordable option, costing under $20 for DIY supplies compared to vinyl. It's generally easier to apply for beginners, requiring less precision. However, spray paint is less durable, potentially chipping or fading within 6 to 12 months, and it's much harder to remove once applied. Take your time and work carefully to achieve the best results with your wheel modification. Use high-quality materials for best results and longer-lasting modifications. For vinyl applications, use a heat gun to ensure a smooth, bubble-free finish. For paint applications, apply thin, even coats to avoid drips and runs. Consider applying a clear coat over the paint for added protection and durability. To maintain your modified Tesla Model Y Gemini wheels, start with regular cleaning to prevent dirt and grime buildup that can degrade the vinyl or paint finish. Next, inspect the vinyl or paint for signs of damage like peeling, bubbling, or fading. Address any issues promptly to maintain the uniform black appearance. For touch-ups, use matching materials. Clean the area, apply vinyl wrap or spray paint thinly, and allow proper curing time to ensure adhesion. Keep in mind that vinyl typically lasts 1 to 2 years before needing replacement, while spray paint may require touch-ups every 6 to 12 months, depending on weather conditions and driving exposure. If done correctly, this mod can enhance your Model Y's wheels for years. Remember, this modification is not officially endorsed by Tesla.